Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper. And friend, today I'm going to show you how you can easily embed PDF file into your Excel program. So keep watching. In this video we will learn how to embed PDF file into Excel. And friend, if you are coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel because I'm uploading this type of tutorials every week, so you will get the new idea about the new tutorials. So friend, please click on this like button, so that will motivate me to make new videos like this. So let's jump into this and learn how we can add it. Okay, so friend, this is my file, and here you can see this is file name and here the PDF name. For example, I'm going to add sample PDF machine for like machine. Okay, and here I want to add that PDF as a embed. Okay, so what I will do, simply you can see friend, this is my menu tab. First of all, make sure you click on this insert tab, then here you can see this box which is object box. Just click here, so you will get one facility to embed PDF file. Okay, so friend, here you can see Adobe Acrobat document, and here you can also create new file. Okay, create from file. So here you can simply select the file which you want to add as a PDF. So here I'm going to select this one, and this is the path where my file is stored now. And here you can add display as an icon, so you can see this icon will showing over there. Okay, just click on this OK button. So friend, your PDF file will automatically embed into this here in this cell. Okay, so friend, here you can see this is my object, and here I'm going to little bit do the alignment so that will look good like this. Okay, so friend, this is the PDF which is embedded into my this cell, and here right now I'm going to click on this convert option, and friend, here you can easily change the icon. If you want to change the icon, you can easily change it, and here I'm going to change this caption as PDF only. Okay, and here I'm going to click on this OK. So here friend, you can see path is gone, only PDF is showing, and whenever I click here, so you can see this PDF file is opening very easily over here. So friend, this is the tutorial where I want to share with you guys how you can embed PDF file into your Excel file. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on this like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer, and also mention what things you like into this video, so that will motivate me. And friend, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel because I am uploading this type of tutorial every week, so you will get new tutorials like this. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video.